Sabrina. So I am not in my usual filming spot. As you guys can see, I'm actually in my kitchen today because we're gonna be making some fun stuff. I'm just gonna be making some matcha latte, so not exactly a cooking video, but I'm excited to be trying out this matcha latte. I partnered with a company and they gave me a free sample to try, so I am really excited. As you guys know, I am absolutely obsessed with green tea, especially matcha green tea and matcha green tea boba, especially, and even the ice cream. So I'm so excited to try out their matcha products and let you guys know how they taste first time on camera. I'm also wearing blue contact lenses. I don't know if you guys noticed that my face looks a little different or if my eyes look different, but I'm obsessed with these new contact lenses. I can't stop wearing them. I think they look really pretty, really natural, and it's like my dream eye color would be to have blue eyes with brown hair. So I'm probably gonna be wearing these a lot. You guys saw a review back in a couple of videos where I had like lighter blue contact lenses and they were kind of scary on me because I am so like darker skinned and darker haired, but I think these ones just look really nice and natural, so that's why I'm going to be wearing them a lot, or maybe even in public, guys. So if you guys are interested in these contact lenses, I can actually give you guys more information down below, but for this video we're going to be trying out some matcha, so let me show you guys the products that I got. So this is the matcha latte little package that I got sample. This is what it looks like. It's an organic matcha green tea and it's actually made in Japan. It says that this matcha blend will enhance focus, increase energy, and boost your metabolism. So that sounds good to me. They also gave me this. They threw this in. I didn't actually order this. It's a cute little matcha typical brush. I've seen these before at a matcha house and I've actually used it before. I don't know if I was using it right when I went there, but I'm going to try it out today. I'm really excited about this. It's really cute. And then they also gave me another little sample of a vanilla matcha with organic ceremonial matcha. So I even have a different flavor to try out. I'm really excited about that. And this one also has a specific way you can try to make it. So I'm going to try a little bit of each and let you guys know how I like it. And then they gave me a little card with more information about what matcha is, why it's really good for you. It's good for detox, health, and energy, as you guys know. And also just more instructions on how to make it, and how to make it taste delicious, and how to even use this little whisk, guys, so that's helpful. So I will be making it with you guys on camera today, so let's get started. So first and foremost, I'm going to add about a cup of water. We're going to be boiling it. Add just a little bit more. I'm actually going to be doing it the hot method, so not the cold method today. And it says pre-boiling, so we don't want it to be boiling, but we want it to be like right before it happens. And I'm going to be doing it the ceremonial way, so this little card has exactly how to do it using this, guys, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so I have it basically all set up. I'm just going to now open up the matcha. It says to put about a tablespoon or two of matcha into your bowl. So I'm going to start off with a tablespoon. Oh my god, it smells amazing! Oh. Okay, so about that much. Alright, so the water is pre-boiling, as you guys can hear. Oh, okay, a little bit mad at me. Whoa. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Probably about that much. And then it says to whisk it in an M or W motion until it gets foamy. What it looks like. Here I am trying it with you guys, first time on camera, and I ended up whisking it a little faster and the foam actually formed when I put some muscle in it. Oh my god, just so good. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, guys. 100% best matcha I've ever had. Wow. I wonder if it's from the whisking. I don't know, but that tastes so good. It's like perfect sweetness. It's not too sweet. It is the matcha latte, so it kind of has everything you need in it already, which is super cool. It's delicious. And I don't know, it just tastes like really high-class green tea, like super good. Definitely recommend it, guys. So that's probably one of the best drinks I've ever had. I think if I make it cold, it'd be even better because it'd be like a delicious like cold latte on a warm summer day. That'd be amazing. But really, really like it. I love how it tastes. I'm going to try the vanilla now real quick, do the same thing, make it, and then let you guys know how it tastes also. So I'm going to do this next. So I'm now trying this vanilla one, and it smelled so good while I was making it. It smelled like vanilla. It also has the matcha green tea mixed in with it. It smells so good. And I just made it, so I'm going to see what it tastes like. This one's even better. Didn't know that was possible, guys. So good. I really love this. I hope you guys found the video fun. Cooking with me, not really. And you definitely try out these matcha products. They're really good. I'll leave you guys a link in the comments below. I'm really excited I got to sample them. I'm such a big matcha fan, and that made my day, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.